Hey everyone, so I just got Turtle Wax's Hybrid Series spray ceramic coating and their new Hybrid Series 3-in-1 detailer. And I really went to get their Ice Series because I was getting low on it. I have another video on that if you want to check it out. But I ended up wanting to try the Hybrid Series. And I'm not so sure how I feel about it. The spray ceramic coating is definitely doing its job. If you can see on the hood right here, there is a bunch of pollen that just slides all across the hood. I mean, I can literally take my finger and make a pile of it on the hood of the car. That's something I definitely couldn't do with any of Ice Series products. So I really like this. The only downside I've really found to using the Hybrid Series over the Ice is that it doesn't layer as well. So I know when I use my 3-in-1 detailer, the Ice Series 3-in-1 detailer, I can spray that, I can spray wax on top of it. They all work together and bond together in order to really create a nice shine and, as the company puts it, build up layers of protection. But with this one, they tell you that the spray ceramic coating needs to be put on perfectly clean paint. So if you put the spray coating on, then you can use other products. They say you really shouldn't use any of their other products underneath of the spray coating, which kind of makes sense because you want the spray coating to be the one that fills in the clear coat and acts as a true ceramic coating. So I did it. I will say the shine is not as good as it is with the Ice Series detailer. I mean, you can see the tree reflecting off the car hood. It does have a little bit of a shine. If I aim at the side, you can kind of see the ground a little bit in the reflection, but for some reason the shine's just not there, and it doesn't last as long as the Ice Series does. Now the ceramic coating, they say, will last for up to 12 months. I can attest to that. I've had it for about a week. It rained yesterday and the beading properties of the water were absolutely fantastic. So it does have that going for it. The fact that I used my finger to get all the pollen into a pile on my car shows that it's definitely working as well. But for the price of the 3-in-1 detailer, I don't see how it's any different than Ice Series. It says it's got ceramic in it and helps with the coating and everything like that. But Ice Series beads water also, and it was way cheaper. Like, for me, it was less than 1/3 of the price of the Hybrid Series. So I was gonna put some on today, but honestly the car's so dirty with all the pollen this time of year that I'd have to really wash it, and it's too cold outside to do that today. All the car washes shut down with everything going on right now. It's kind of a hassle, so I think I'm just gonna use the Ice Series to clean it to start. That seems to be my favorite. It's so much easier to use. It goes on way better. On the hood when I was doing the, actually you can, I don't know if you could see it on camera, but there's some like streak marks where the Hybrid Series didn't work well. Right here in this area you can see a ton of streak marks, and I really didn't like that about the product. I've never had an issue with the Ice Series, and I think you should save your money and just go for a different product.